How to change country on Amazon app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your country on Amazon app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to open up your Amazon app. So locate your Amazon app and then open it up. After you open up your Amazon app, make sure you're logged in into your account. And now tap on your person icon or the user tab at the bottom of the screen. After you tap on it, you will be prompted to your profile. After you're here, on the top right corner, you should find your country's flag or the language option. So you can check that by tapping on it. And after you tap on it, you should see country/region and language. So now you can change your country from right here. Select your country and select the country that you want to change into. Then tap on done after you're done. Then your Amazon will change the country, and there you go. Now you can sign in, and that's basically it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.